Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out this coolant recovery overflow tank designed for 1996 through 2004 Mustangs. If you're a 4th generation Mustang owner looking to upgrade your coolant tank to something that's more heat resistant while adding a polished look, this coolant recovery tank is definitely worth a look. This overflow tank has several standout features, starting with its premium aluminum construction. Unlike that plastic stock tank that can wear down over time, this tank offers increased durability and resistance to heat. Its polished finish provides a clean, high-end appearance under the hood, enhancing the aesthetics of your Mustang's engine bay. Plus, it functions just like a stock tank, making sure your cooling system operates efficiently, capturing excess coolant and returning it to the radiator whenever it's needed. When it comes to construction, this tank is built from lightweight yet durable aluminum, known for its excellent heat resistance and longevity. The polished finish not only adds a custom look, but also provides additional protection against corrosion and wear, ensuring it's going to last you the long haul. This tank is designed as a direct fit replacement, so it's easily integrated with your Mustang's cooling system without any complicated modifications. As far as pricing, this is going to come in right around the $120 mark, and it offers excellent value for its aluminum construction and polished finish. Now, this install is going to be very straightforward, earning a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You're looking at about an hour of your time, and all you're going to need is some basic hand tools. This is a direct fit replacement, so no modifications are required. Just remove your old factory tank, swap it out for this upgraded aluminum version. For this install, you're going to need an impact or driver, a 7/16 socket, a 6mm socket, a short extension, and a pump to remove that coolant. Now let's check out exactly how you're going to get this done with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
Alright guys, so the first step is removing the coolant that's currently in the recovery tank. So there's multiple ways to do this. What I ended up doing is I just purchased a cheap transfer pump from my local hardware store. So all I have to do is just insert it in here, and we're going to extract the coolant that's in the tank. Make sure I get this done right away. And we can begin pumping. Alright, that's going out. Alright, so now with all the coolant extracted, we're ready to begin a disassembly of the tank itself. So, first thing we want to do is we're going to loosen this top little hose right here. So that's going to be a 6mm socket. So, we'll get that set up. Alright, so we'll loosen this. Once this clamp is loose, you can simply just pull on the hose like that. We can get this out of the way for now. And then the second part is deattaching the hose that's on the bottom here. So this is going to be using an 8mm bolt right here to loosen this clamp. So we'll do that next. Get this in a better position. Alright, that should work. Should be loose enough, and then once this clamp is loose, we can simply just pull on the hose itself. So just grab it, pull, and it should just come out. Once it comes out like this, the last step I have to do is remove these 3 7/16 bolts. There's 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so with those 3 bolts removed, you can now just simply remove the tank, pull that out, and then the old tank comes out, and then we can begin the installation of the new tank. So what I like to do is grab this clamp here, and we loosened it a little bit ago, so we'll just go ahead and tighten it a little bit. That way it'll stay in place. Just tighten it just a tad bit so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, that should be good. Do, since this is the hardest hose to reach, go ahead and put this hose in first. And with that hose installed, we can go ahead and install the tank on 3 bolts. Just this one, this one, this one. And then we can go ahead and reattach the 3 bolts here. Alright, with the tank now in place, the only thing we have to do is tighten the clamp that's down here and then reattach the small hose here, so we'll do that next. First, we'll go ahead and tighten the lower clamp. Just go in here. Alright, that should be tight enough. And then from here, we can reattach the small hose. Now it seems like this one is a little bit wider, so what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the clamp a little bit more to make sure it fits. Alright, with that done, just slide the hose in here. Alright, and then lastly we just want to tighten up. Alright, with that tightened, you can see this hose is not getting anywhere. And the final step is just refill this tank with whatever coolant you want. And then from there, you can either reuse the factory cap or buy an aftermarket one. We're going to be using the factory one again today. And there you go, that completes the installation.
Well, that's going to do it for our review and install of this aluminum coolant recovery overflow tank for your 1996 through 2004 Mustang. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.